Hi guys, back with another bike review. We're going to be reviewing the Elite 2019 Stealth BMX. So,
talk about it. What's
first thing with the grips, honestly, they're not that good because mine ripped easily. Like, this ripped the first day I got it. So, I wouldn't really have like a good feel about the grips. But, like, the body's good. The handlebars, if you're like a tall person, these might be uncomfortable.
What the hell is this thing?
Yeah.
This is way different than my SC bike review.
Yeah.
Go check that out. Link in the description below.
And then the frame is not that long.
What size is the bike?
20-inch. But the seat, I don't know. It's comfortable, but at the same time, it doesn't look that.
Is that a World Star wrap seat?
No, it's not. I don't know why it looks like that, but.
Talk about the brakes. Brakes. I think brakes should go.
Brakes are like.
Are the brakes good or are they like choppy?
They're not choppy, but they're not tight like.
Okay. So they're like in between. So when you press the brake, you're gonna go still.
Yeah, you're gonna keep
Okay. So go about the
they're not as good as your big flyers, but like your big flyers are more choppy.
go with the
The tires are
Tires.
probably like they're nice now. Like if you do like a lot of. Like,
Whose spokes are those?
You gave them to me.
Is there?
But like they're kind of bad if you do a wheelie and like you have like something on because like if you hit the spoke by accident it comes off.
Are the pegs good?
Yeah,
They're bigger than the block. They're bigger than the flyer.
Yeah, they're nice.
What about the pedals? Are they gonna kill you if you?
The first day I got it, the whole pedal went through like my knee, like, right around about like somewhere. Like it was like probably a couple months ago.
With the chain, is the chain? Oh, you should talk about the chain. Oh wait, no, that's the tire. Talk about what happens.
So the back tire hub, it pretty much broke. But I don't know how it broke. I don't think it has anything to do with the bike. It's either I just went straight down a.
So when you pedal, sometimes like when I do it, I think I'm like jinxed. When I pedal, the pedals lock and I fly right over the handlebars.
No. So pretty much the hub broke. So like if I pull a chain up, this thing's so loose to the point where like the pedals keep going. And then,
Is that all?
I would say the tires are nice. They don't like if you're gonna ride a lot, they don't ride down as much. And then pretty much that's it. I'd probably give it like.
I think I could go to 8
Yeah.
because the pedals and stuff take away a lot.
The grips do because these
Yeah.
are like the only really.
How much did you pay it for, and where'd you get it?
$250 on City Grounds. And
Okay, I guess that's the whole bike review, guys.
the only thing is, I really want to get this because you're gonna have to wind up replacing like grips on it, and then like I already have to get new grips, and I've had this for not that long. But with Nick's SC,
Yeah.
he's had them for like a year. Only one slid so far.
Yeah.
I ripped the first day.
Well, I hope you guys like this video. Go subscribe, press the like button, and turn the notification bell on so you can get notified whenever we post a video. See you guys later. Bye.